Yeah, we live. We live. We back on. Yeah, everybody on the Top Step page was like, Apex it is. See, Apex is cheaper, but Apex got too many fucking rules, yo. That consistency rule is crazy.
So let me understand these people. Make sure I got it. Understand.
What they rules?
Yeah. So you just need 5 winning trading days over 1 2.
That's Apex.
Your lane is. I think that's a, I think for me that they got to be over 155 trading days.
That's Apex.
You can start requesting the pay after that.
So the way I understand Apex's rules is no, Top Step is easier. Top Step, you just gotta hit the goal. You hit that goal, and anything over that, you can start requesting payouts. The main thing for them is on the evaluation port, like you can't pass the evaluation in 1 day or in 2 days.
Okay.
It says if one of your trading days is more than 50% of your profit, then you have to keep trading. So you have to spread out your winning days over at least like 3 days. See, on Apex, you could have already passed the eval, and then you still have like, and then after you get above whatever they want you to get for the payout, you have to have 5 consecutive green days to get a payout. That's crazy. Because you can have a good week. You can have on a 5 day trading week, Monday through Friday, you can be green 4 out of 5 days and be up 20K. But then they're gonna be like, nah, you can't get a payout because you wasn't profitable 5 days. I mean, you wasn't green 5 days straight. That's crazy to me. That's the really scamming motherfuckers. But that's why they like, oh, you come and get an account over here for $30. Yeah, and I fell for that shit a couple times too. But that fucking shit is crazy.
What I kept seeing in button shit was what's it called?
Who shit was you watching? Who shit was it?
Hold on, let me see.
Hey, yeah, bro. Once I get a streaming computer, we're gonna start doing the Zoom shit, bro. So you can be on screen with me. I think I'm about to enter these cells here.
One of the first things I get Mango for is a whole setup.
Yeah. I'm trying to stream off my Mac, but like that shit be working too hard. My fan's spinning like crazy right now. That shit sound loud as hell. I feel like Price is trying to fake me into the sell. Even though my bias on the day is sells, I feel like because I already got chopped into one side. I tried to sell, and maybe my stop was really just too tight. I still would have been in drawdown right now, but I'd still be in the trade if I would have just had a little bit more space. See, it's pushing back up to the top now. I might take a buy here, honestly. Take a buy to the top side of this range.
What's wrong?
What you mean?
Wrong record.
Oh yeah, we on NQ. Yo, I haven't really paid no attention to gold yesterday. I hadn't looked at gold's chart yesterday for a little bit. Honestly, gold might be a little cleaner to trade right now because Nas is in this space right now where it's like everybody is looking like, all right, are we gonna flip back and start pushing up, or is price gonna keep falling? But I feel like gold looks pretty clear to me. Gold is reaching all-time highs again.
The last day we was on trade and shit, I was looking at gold. That's what I was gonna tell you, but it didn't look clear. It was like
Gold looks like I don't know, it's reaching all-time highs, but I think it's gonna reject. I don't think they're gonna push through. It looks like it's gonna reject. I'm gonna pull gold up in a second, but I think I'm gonna try a little quick buy here. I want to take some of this risk off. I don't want to really risk too much here. I'm gonna take some of this risk off and try to get a cheap buy. It looks like we're failing to break out of the range, so I think we're gonna trade back to the top side of the range here. And I want to take that attempt here. This 250 profit section is close. And I want to enter this so bad, but I feel like I'm getting faked out. I'm gonna chill. I ain't taking it yet. I'm not convinced. My bias is sells. I've just seen in my back testing whenever price fails to break out to the to in either direction of this open range, it trades back to the top of the range, and I feel like it's about to do it right now. Whereas, see, I would have got flipped out bad if I would have jumped in there. Almost jumped in there. This play started to push back down. I really want to break up to the downside. That's really what I want. That's what my bias says. That's what I feel like price wants to do. You look at the higher time frames, and that sell just looks so convincing.
What?
Order filled.
Alright, in sells. I'm gonna sell. Low risk, very low risk. Yeah, very low risk trade here. I'm not risking as much as I normally do. Mainly because I just took that loss. I took a little loss. 237. My rule is I don't want to lose more than 500 in a day.
Okay.
So we lose this trade, and I'll be down like 375 ish if I lose this trade, where the stop loss is currently. But I'm about to trail the stop loss really tight, actually. And honestly, I may take one more entry here if we clear this trend line.
Order filled.
Okay, yeah. I'm in total of 4 contracts here. Micro with a total risk of $98 currently for my stop losses. Part of me wants to give a little bit more room to breathe, but I also just don't want to risk nothing. All right, we'll leave right there. Yeah, low risk in it. Honestly, I feel like if I take this loss right here, I'm just gonna be done for the day. I need to just walk away. I need that lesson. It's really what I need. We're about to take that loss. 26. Yeah, it's finna chop me up. It's finna get chopped. I really want to see that shit push. I want to push. You want to push. You want to break down. Price has already gave me a few confirmations that it wants to push down, but it's like it's chopping us. Right now, we're just in this chop. And I may have just been a little early on the entry, but it's so fucking close. And I'm really debating getting just a little bit more space. Please fucking pushing back up. I'm gonna give it I'm moving it to the above my stop loss to above this moving average to see if we can just tap it. Damn. All right, we're out. I'm done for the day. Down 385. We're just gonna take that and just move and walk. We're done. That was a strong fake out again. Price wants to push, or it may just consolidate. All right. can't just move away from the computer, otherwise I'm gonna keep trading. I'm gonna keep trading. See, if I that's my problem. When I sit here looking at it, I'll be like, shoot.
You gotta get back off.
I'm like, shoot. Dude, just pull the trigger again.
I just seen a post like that.
What?
Basically, the more the post was, I know you can't stay away from that chart.
Yeah, facts. That's a fact. Yeah, 385 on the day.
What you say, the limit was like 500.
Five. Yeah, the limit is five.
Or play around with
That
one
one, yeah.
contract type shit.
Yeah. Because what do so I got one, like, so I really got like 115 that I can risk without breaking rules.
So play around with one contract, that would be big or
Yeah, I'm considering.
once you over that yard, that can never be real quick.
Yeah. And honestly, if I can just get a little bit of the loss back, then that's cool with me too. I don't even have to go back to the green for the day. If we could just make the loss smaller, I'm not opposed to that. We're consolidating right here at the bottom of this range. Look at this consolidation. This is crazy consolidation right here. I feel like it really wants to break down here, man.
Order filled.
See, I don't know. I just don't know how many times it can like fake out this line without following through. So we got the pre-break and then the push back up. And I feel like now it's violating it. It should continue down. The first target should be this level here. That'd be 190, but 200 in profit. Starting to get a nice little push in my direction. I really needed to clear this next low though.
You got the confluence with your eye up?
Yeah, I mean, we're pushing nicely right now. So we're pushing nicely. I think I might even just go ahead and once this next, I'm trailing on the 1 minute right now. Once this 1 minute clears this low, I'm gonna go ahead and trail behind it and take all the risk off the table. Yeah, see, it's clearing it. All right. So now we're trailed $20 in a profit. We're pushing. See, we're starting to get the push. I was early. Oh, no, I might come back and get me right here though. Looks like price wants to come back. It's like I was just early. So we're gonna do it. We're doing aggressive trailing right now. I'm gonna be trailing behind every 1 minute candle. Every 1 minute candle that clears the low, I'm gonna go ahead and trail behind it. I need this one to finish bearish. 3, 2, 1, close. What was that from Benson of a close? It's a doji candle. There we go. Come on. Clear this low. Once we clear this low, then we can trail stops to right here. Push, 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 push. Here we go. All right. So now stops are trailed a little tighter. Let's zoom out here and see what we're looking at here. Oh, yeah. 15 minute looks like we have some space to go. So we're gonna give the stop loss. I'm gonna take profit some room. And then we're just gonna keep on trailing tight. Keep on trailing tight. All right, another candle. All right, here's the key level. Are we gonna break this line right here, or are we gonna reject off of it? Is the question. Floating 145 in profit, but I got 90. I got 100 locked in on the stop. 105. 105 locked in on the TP. So that's good. We're getting some of that loss back off the table. I really want to see this follow through right here and push and break the edge. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful push here. Why couldn't this happen with my first fucking attempt? This happened with my first attempt. I'd be up nicely for the day. I would have been able to be done, one and done for the day. No, now I'm digging out. I'm digging myself out the hole. All right. I got 240. Word. I got 240 locked in. We're gonna trail even tighter. 280. I really want to see if we can get to that break even point. If I can get to 386 of profit, I'm gonna move my stop right there. We can get a break even day and be done. I don't even need to get back in a profit. We could just get a break even day. I'll be happy that I was able to get out the hole. We're right there. We're right there. Send a lot of good momentum here. A lot of good momentum. And on the 15-minute chart, you see we got the space to go. Because this is the low that I'm attacking right here. Oh, it's starting to come back and get me. It's coming back for me. Where's the 1 minute? I need 1 minute. Yeah, it's gonna get me.
Order filled.
All right, cool. I was able to get it down to just $100 loss for the day. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna walk away now. That's it. I'm done. No, I'm done. I'm done for real. I'm done. Well, you hit my button, the manual lockout button. You see it? Can you see it on my screen? Right. What I'm looking at on my Nah, I'm talking. Look, can you see my stream? Are you looking at the stream or not? You just looking at your charts? Oh, okay. Yeah. See, I'm about to lock my shit out, so I can't even take another trade. Lock my shit for an hour. Time the hour's done, I ain't even gonna be home no more. But then I'll be able to come back and trade tonight if I want to, or maybe even this afternoon. Like, because price likes to move. Check the stream down. We done. Price likes to move